Think of it like this. Nobara is a gaming rig with turbo boost, while Mint is that reliable daily driver that never breaks down. The question is, which one actually fits your lifestyle? Nobara takes Fedora and reworks it for gamers, streamers, and creators. Built by the Proton GE developer, it ships with everything you would normally waste hours setting up. Drivers, codecs, OBS for streaming, and Steam ready to launch. It's modern, fast, and tuned for performance right out of the box. Perfect if you want cutting-edge features without wrestling with configs. The trade-off? It's heavily modified Fedoras, so big updates can sometimes throw curveballs. While, on the other hand, Linux Mint is all about simplicity and stability. Its Cinnamon desktop feels familiar if you are coming from Windows, and it runs smooth even on older hardware. It's lightweight, reliable, and doesn't bombard you with surprises for everyday users or beginners. Mint is basically stress-free Linux. So, which one is better? If you are a gamer or creator who wants performance and modern tools, Nobara takes the crown. If you are an everyday user or someone moving from Windows who just wants a clean, stable desktop, Mint is the smarter choice. At the end of the day, both are excellent. Nobara wins for gaming and content creation, while Mint stays unbeatable for simplicity and reliability. Let me know in the comment section which one you prefer and why. If you like this video, go ahead and subscribe.